Mastering mistakes. Turn errors into GMAT and GRE success. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for anyone preparing for the GMAT or GRE. We all make mistakes, right? But how can we turn these mistakes into learning opportunities? Stick with us as we explore analyzing mistakes and learning from them. Mistakes, though they may seem discouraging, are actually golden opportunities in disguise. Every error you make offers insight into 1. Gaps in your understanding. 2. Areas where you might have rushed. 3. Concepts that need reinforcement. Remember, it's not the number of mistakes you make, but how you respond to them that defines your test prep journey. When you encounter a difficult question and get it wrong, follow this process. 1. Re-attempt without time pressure. Without looking at the solution, try the question again, giving yourself as much time as you need. This helps identify if time pressure was the main issue. 2. Pinpoint the error. Was it a conceptual error? A silly mistake? Or perhaps you didn't understand the question? 3. Understand the correct answer. Before jumping to solutions, see if you can understand the correct answer and why it's right. This promotes active learning. 4. Document the mistake. Keep an error log. This is a journal where you list down all the questions you got wrong, the reason you think you got them wrong, and the lesson learned. 5. Review regularly. Before study sessions, review your error log. It's a great way to avoid repeating the same mistakes. After analyzing individual mistakes, take some time every week to reflect. Spot patterns. Are there certain question types or topics where you're making more mistakes? Adjust strategy. Maybe you need to spend more time on specific areas or change your approach to certain questions. Celebrate improvements. Don't just focus on what you're getting wrong. Celebrate the mistakes you're not making anymore. It's essential to have the right mindset. Remember, mistakes don't define you. They're just a part of the learning process. Stay positive. Instead of thinking, I always get this wrong, think, I haven't mastered this yet, but I will. Seek help. If you're repeatedly making the same mistakes, consider seeking help from a tutor, mentor, or study group. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, every GMAT or GRE mistake is a step closer to understanding and mastering the exam, as long as you approach it with the right mindset and strategy. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we wish you all the best on your test preparation journey. Happy studying!